Welcome to another Bowluna Adventures 3-minute maintenance tutorial. In this video, going to be rust proofing and protecting the spare wheel carrier underneath the back of the van. So the first thing to do is remove the spare wheel. You can do that by checking the link in the video above. And then what we need to do is clear up any surface rust, so get rid of any rust that's existing on the spare wheel carrier. Takes a bit of time, it's a little bit fiddly, but the more time spent doing this, the better the end result will be and the longer the protection's going to be. Then after we've done that, we need to treat the rust that's already there. I like this Hammerite Q Rust. I think it's a good product. It goes on in this creamy colour, and then as it reacts with the rust it turns a bluey purple colour. I'm then trying to use up some primers that I'd got in the shed, so I've just got these to hand, and this is just a grey zinc oxide primer, which is really good. I'd also got some black left as well, so I sprayed it up, just used the rest of the can in those. And this just gives it that extra level of protection. The zinc oxide stops any moisture and oxygen getting to the metal and oxidizing it, causing it to rust. And then we want to give it the actual protection, protecting the metal against any future problems. So what I'm doing first is I'm just putting a really thin coat of Hammerite on. This is black hammered finish Hammerite. It's just what I had in the shed, but it's really good stuff. Really rate it. It's very good for protecting parts of the van which are close to the road surface, getting stone chips and things like that, causing problems with rust. Because it's oil based, it needs to be left to dry overnight, so once that's dry I'm putting on a much heavier coat. The second coat goes on as heavy as possible without causing any drips, and this gives the real protection. So this is what gives it that protection against the weather, the elements, stone chips, anything like that that might cause a problem in the future. And once it's all done, it's going to look something like this. So you can see it's got a nice glossy durable finish. It does take a while to dry though, that thick coat, so I'd leave it a couple of days before replacing the spare wheel into the carrier. But once it's all dry, get that spare wheel back in there, hook everything up. Make sure you do up the bolts above from releasing the spare wheel from the carrier. And you can see how to do that in this series here, the full series of our 3-minute tutorials. Would you do anything different? Let me know in a comment below, and we'll see you really soon.